Hello, welcome back. Many thanks for returning to my channel. I've got this piece of fabric here that I cut off of a dress. It's got this lovely applique on it, and I'm going to take it off in order to put it on my glue book, the front cover of my glue book. I made a glue book, so I want to fit it on here if I can. This was made from a magazine. I folded it and covered it over with some fabric. This is quite a stretchy, soft fabric. This is. It's just stuff that I've had in my my craft room, in my stash, that I decided to do this. It's not like the ordinary book where you just get a book, take out some of the pages in order for you to get sticking your bits and pieces in. I've made it like a journal, like a junk journal, where it's got two signatures in there. That's what I've done. It's just a load of scraps that I've had in my craft room that this came out of. I put some lace on the front. I didn't glue this bit because I sort of like the texture, feeling the loose lace here, but the rest of it is glued. I put a tie on there. I really like that. And then I just tie it like this, and we're good to go. And that was my first glue page. I'm going to sort her out. I think she looks really cute. I'll find some eyes and stuff for her, and lips, and a nose. I want to put it on here, sort of wrap it around if I can. What I've been doing is just picking it off with the thread picker, and I'll get on and do that. It's off, and I'm really happy with that. Happy me on a budget. So let's see. Oh, that's gonna look lovely. Oh, that's gonna look really nice. I might have to take a piece off of it, sort of cut it along there with the stem, but that's great. Got the organza at the back here in between the stem, and I think that's beautiful. I don't want to cut much off it, so I think I'll take it around the back, because I don't want to cut the leaves. I don't want to waste it. I think that is so lovely. Yay! So I'll get that glued on. dry now. It's going to have to dry overnight because I'm using this fabric glue. I've had it for a very long time, but it seems to be sticking very well because I've done the cover and the denim inside. I can't wait to finish up the cover and stuff so I can start doing all my gluing. I've got a load of stuff that I can use in the pages. I've been gathering all my friends and family's magazines and stuff, asking them to save them for me. I've got a bag full that I got from, look at all these, I got from my good friend. I'll see what's in there, what I can get out of these. Well chuffed with that. Lots to be had for now. And then I'll send a message tomorrow, an SOS, asking for more. I'm going to leave this to dry, and we'll do a part 2. Might as well, because if I want the best of the area sticking, then I'm going to have to do the right thing and leave it to dry. We'll come back and see how it pans out. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And this channel is for crafting, DIYs, and some lifestyle bits and pieces. So if you like that kind of thing, do subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my videos. And again, if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Really appreciate it. Take care of your good selves, and see you back soon. Bye.